The Balmuda, the Wolf Gourmet or Zojirushi? Perhaps the Breville or the Calphalon? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 oven toasters available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best oven toasters. The 5th product on this list is the Zojirushi Micom. First of all, this countertop oven toaster will fit right in with your kitchen's decor because it looks sleek and modern and has a small footprint. It looks like mirrored glass and fits into any room. It also takes up less space because the controls are on the bottom. You might think that this oven toaster isn't very exciting, but it actually has 12 microcomputerized cooking functions. You can use toast, bagel, pizza, cookie, bake, roast, broil, homemade, rise, timed toast, reheat, and keep warm. In other words, it can be used for almost any kind of cooking. Another great thing about this product is that it can make toast and bagels by itself. It measures the temperature inside and makes small changes to the temperature to get consistent results. It can make 5 different shades of toast and has a frozen setting for up to 4 pieces of toast or half bagels. People also like its automatic rise then bake homemade function for easy bread baking. It gives the dough a second rise, then turns itself on to bake so you don't have to do anything. When you buy this product, you'll get a complete set that includes a removable crumb tray, a baking tray, a broil tray, and a mesh rack. Its pros are, you can easily extend or reduce cooking time with its add time option. It additionally features 8 heating elements to create even heating and promote precise temperature control for better results. And it has double thermostats to ensure the oven does not overheat, so it's very safe to use. However, it's a bit heavy due to its durable build, so it's best to just keep it in one place. The Zojirushi Micom toaster oven is a stylish smart oven with 12 cooking functions and a large enough interior to fit a 12-inch pizza. If you're planning a relaxed weekend with friends, this machine will never let you down. Up next in 4th place is the Calphalon Quartz. When you're looking for the best oven toaster for your kitchen, you want to ensure that you're getting it not just because of its style, but more importantly, its function. Thanks to the Calphalon Quartz countertop oven toaster, you can get both. This is more than just a toaster oven. It has a number of settings and options that let you use it for almost everything you do in a regular oven. This is a great addition, though a big one, to your countertop. You can use it for cooking frozen pizzas and doing more holiday cooking. Moreover, the Quartz definitely gives its users a great experience. Its small, well-thought-out design details make cooking and cleaning up afterward feel very easy. The machine is effortless to use because it has a clear user interface. A big LCD screen shows you what settings you have chosen, and special knobs let you quickly move through the cooking functions as well as the temperature and time settings. Another great thing about the Quartz is that the timer doesn't start by itself when it's done preheating. Many other models start the timer as soon as the oven is ready, so you either have to keep an eye on it and put the food in right when it beeps, or you have to change the timer after you've put the food in. Not so with this product. Once the preheating is done, you have to press the start button again on the Quartz heat to start the timer. All in all, this is a high-quality unit that works well and has a lot of great features. Its pros are, its heating element delivers 40% more even heat and preheats faster. It has 11 preset cooking functions to choose from for improved convenience, and it has a high-contrast LCD display for intuitive control of all features. However, it's made of stainless steel, which means that it can stay hot long after it was used. So make sure not to let your kids get near it after a pizza dinner. The Calphalon Quartz Heat Countertop Toaster Oven is a versatile device with a large capacity and a variety of cooking options. It's a sophisticated countertop oven that you'll love having in your kitchen. Still haven't found a toaster oven that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Breville BOV800XL. One of the things people love about oven toasters is that these machines can make our lives so much easier since they're more straightforward to use, multifunctional, and can save a lot of time. If that's what you're looking for, meet the Breville BOV800XL. This smart oven is much bigger than other models on this list, and it has 10 great smart cooking functions, including toast, bagel, bake, roast, grill, pizza, cookies, reheat, warm, and slow cook. All of these functions come with recommended settings that are already set. All of them can be changed to fit your own cooking needs. Plus, it comes with a 13-inch pizza pan, which is very useful. This Breville also features Element IQ, so you can bake the perfect thing no matter what. Element IQ technology moves heat across 5 quartz elements to give you precise, stable heat exactly where and when you want it. It's a complex heating system that makes cooking faster and easier. It also has a convection feature that helps you bake cookies, cakes, and pizza to perfection. Another factor that makes people love this toaster is its temperature range. The Breville offers a wide spectrum of cooking options, so users can cook different foods in various ways. For instance, baked goods need to be cooked evenly, while meats need to be seared. The Breville can do both. This is how it stands out from the rest. Its pros are, it has an LCD display for much easier access to built-in smart functionalities, including the current temperature and cooking time. It has a slow cook function, designed for long cook times at low temperatures, and it has an integrated oven light which automatically turns on when you open the door, and at the end of the cooking cycle to help you see inside. However, it will need plenty of counter space for its huge capacity, so if you're short on space, be sure to check the dimensions. If you hate having to wait for your kitchen oven to heat up, or if you're tired of the entire kitchen getting warmer every time you use your oven, investing in the Breville BOV800XL will save you hours of slaving away in the kitchen. The second product on this list is the Balmuda K01M-KG. Eating bread for breakfast is always an excellent way to start the day. Adding butter or jam and pairing it with a coffee seems like the ideal way to spend a Saturday morning. That and an appliance that can surely make your bread even better. Meet the Balmuda. This unit sets itself apart from the competition through its use of steam technology. Instead of using direct heat from a heating element, the Balmuda uses steam to surround and warm the bread from the inside out. Instead of making the bread soggy, the warm steam penetrates it, tenderly warming the inside while the toaster browns the outside. What's more is that this toaster has second-by-second temperature regulation to ensure that each use is perfectly calibrated to produce the best product possible. This not only toasts and warms a slice of bread evenly, but also purportedly activates and rejuvenates each slice's unique flavors and characteristics, making your bread the best it can be. With several distinct toasting modes, the Balmuda is as versatile as it is precise. The Balmuda doesn't stop there. It also functions as a small oven. The oven mode does not use steam technology, but it can reach temperatures of 450 degrees Fahrenheit and can be used for small casseroles, frozen foods, or even cookies. To top it all off, you will love Balmuda's appealing design. Its matte black finish gives it a luxurious feel, making it easy to match your other kitchen appliances. Its pros are, it has precise control of 3 temperature zones that create superb contrast of flavor and texture. It has a thin layer of steam that envelops the bread, lightly toasting its surface while keeping its inner moisture and flavor from escaping. And it has a variety of modes to bring out the best in every kind of food, including artisan bread mode, sandwich bread mode, pizza mode, pastry mode, and oven mode. However, at only 14 by 12 inches, it's very compact, great for small spaces, but not so good if you want more than a couple of slices of pizza. The Balmuda K01M-KG is ideal for those who know a lot about bread. You will certainly notice a difference in your toast with this remarkable countertop appliance. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top oven toaster is the Wolf Gourmet Elite. Wolf Gourmet is one of the most well-known and trusted brands of kitchen appliances and tools for the counter. In fact, the Elite has been a big hit from the moment it came out in 2019, and it still leads the pack today. So what makes this unit stand out from the rest? Well, this oven toaster has a lot of great features and functions that help it compete well with other brands. Let's start with the design. It has a straightforward but sleek look, and what makes it even better is that it has a non-stick coating on the inside and silver or black knobs. What's more, the Wolf Gourmet Elite is a powerful oven with 5 heating elements and convection technology. This means it uses a fan to keep the heated air in the oven moving around the food, which speeds up the cooking process. With this technology, your food won't ever be undercooked on one side. Another highlight of this product is that it comes with a temperature probe that lets you control the oven's temperature without opening the door. On the oven's LCD screen, you can see how hot or cold the probe is. Because of this, it is very easy to use daily and more precise cooking. To put the cherry on top, this countertop oven toaster has a halogen light inside the oven, which is one of the most requested features because it lets you see inside the oven and check on the food while it is cooking. Its pros are, it has 7 cooking modes that offer you great control and consistent predictable results. It comes with 2 easy glide oven racks, a baking pan with a broiling rack insert, and a temperature probe. It has 5 heating elements that deliver consistently accurate temperatures for even cooking performance and predictable results, and its interior is spacious enough to fit most 9-inch by 13-inch stoneware dishes or a 5.5-pound chicken. However, its convection fan can be a bit noisy sometimes, although that's a very minor inconvenience compared to all its amazing features. The Wolf Gourmet Elite is an advanced countertop appliance and the ultimate kitchen must-have, providing all of the benefits of a Wolf oven in a compact, energy-efficient package, as well as new features that make countertop cooking even more convenient. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.